Chapter 10 Mensurations. Exercise 10.1. Question 1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figure. Now, students, what is perimeter? Perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Means this is a closed figure. We have to add the length of the boundary. So let us find perimeter of the given shape. In this figure, A, B, C, D is the name given in the figure, and the length of the boundaries are 4 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm and 5 cm. Now student, it is asked to find perimeter of the given figure, means we will add all these boundary. So let us write answer of the given figure. Perimeter of the given figure. So what we will write? Perimeter of the given figure is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, means we will add these sides. So that is equals to AB is 2 cm plus 1 cm plus 5 cm plus 4 cm. Now students, if we add this 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 12. So answer is 12 centimeter. Student, we have to write unit after every additions of the answer. Next question, number B. So students, in number B, this is the shape given PQRS, and 23 centimeter, 35 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 35 centimeter are the length given in the shape. Now let us find the perimeter of this given shape. Solution. Perimeter of the given figure. First of all, we will write PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. Now let us add the shape. PQ equals to 23 centimeter. So 23 centimeter plus 35 centimeter plus 40 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. Now students, if we add this, then first of all let's add ones place value. 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3, that is 5 plus 5 10 plus 3 13. So here 3 will come and carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10 and 10 plus 3 13. So 133 is answer of addition, and we have to write unit centimeter because here centimeter are there. Now question number C. Students, question number C, M, N, O, Q, M are given and different length is given 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 15 centimeter, means all four sides are equal in this given figure. So let us find perimeter of the given figure. In this figure we can see all sides are equal, and that is 15 centimeter. So solution. Perimeter of the given figure, that is equals to Mn plus No plus OQ plus Qn. Now students, we will add this 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, as all four sides are equal and 15 is 4 times. So students, what will be the answer? 15 fours are 60. So 60 centimeter. We can add also here 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So 0 and carry 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 1 6. 60 centimeter is answer. Question number D. Now students, question number D, perimeter of this given figure. So here in this figure we can see in question number D, A, B, C, D is given, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides are there and 4 centimeters are equal. So let us find perimeter of this given figure. Perimeter of the given figure equals to, first of all, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. Here 5 sides will be there because here in this figure 5 sides are there, and all 5 sides 4 centimeters are there. So we will add 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Now 4 centimeter is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So 4 5 is 20 and unit is what, children? Centimeter. So we will write 20 centimeter. Question number E. This is the shape given in question number E and we have to find perimeter. Perimeter means adding boundaries of the closed figure. So here in the boundaries 4 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter are given. So let us find perimeter of this given figure. Perimeter of the given figure will start from AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GA. So now accordingly we will start add the sides. AB is 4 centimeter, BC 0.5 centimeter, then CD is this 2.5 centimeter, then DE is this side, here also 2.5 centimeter, then EF is again 0.5 centimeter, then FG is 4 centimeter plus GA is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter we have written. Let us add all these numbers. So students, if we add whole numbers, then 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Now if we add this number 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1, 9 plus 1, 10 and 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. So 10 plus 5, 15 centimeter is answer. 15 centimeter. Centimeter is unit that we have to write. F number. Students, this is the shape given in the question. Now how to find perimeter of this combined shape? So in this shape you can observe one thing, that the label is A, B, C, D, E, F, where the length is given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. All the other 4 sides also same length are there. Here also same length are there. Here also same length are there. So let us make this solution easy. So students, we will write this AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF, and then we will do multiplication by 4 because this type of alphabets is 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all 4 sides measurements are same. So we will write measurements of this A, B, C, D, E, F, and rest 4 are same. So we'll multiply by 4. So how we will write perimeter of the given figure? 4 multiplied by AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF. Now let us write measurement of this length AB. So AB is 3 centimeter. So we will write 3 centimeter. BC is 4 centimeter. So we will write 4 centimeter. Then CD 1 centimeter. Then DE 3 centimeter. And then EF is 2 centimeter. So rest 4 sides also measurements are same. Here also you can see 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3. Here also there are same measurements. So we have done multiply by 4 because 4 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all, let us add this measurement. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. And 11 plus 2 is 13. So here 13 centimeter. Now 13 4 is 52. So 52 centimeter is answer of the perimeter of the given figure. So in this type of combined shape, students, we have to take care of the measurements. Question number 2. The lid of a rectangular box of slides 40 cm by 10 cm is selected all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? Now, the shape of the box is which? Rectangular. And what is the perimeter of rectangular? 2 into length plus breadth, because opposite sides of rectangles are equal. So let us find answer of this given question. The length of the tape required is equals to perimeter of the lid of the rectangular box. That is equals to what? Perimeter of rectangular shape we will write. So 2 bracket length plus breadth, because opposite sides of rectangle are same. Now 2 multiply 40 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Rectangular box of sides is given 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So we have written 40 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Now we will add first of all 40 plus 10, that is 50 centimeter. And 52 is 100 centimeter. But what is asked? What is the length of the tape required? Now the length of the tape required is 1 meter. Why? Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So tape of 1 meter length is required. Question number 3. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? The tabletop is which shape? It is rectangular in shape. So what would be the perimeter? What would be the formula of perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth. Why? Because it is rectangular top table and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now it is given that 2 into 2 meter 25 centimeter plus 1 meter 50 centimeter. So we have to add this with the meter unit and this 25 and 50 with the centimeter units. So if we add 2 into 2 meter plus 1 meter is 3 meter and 25 meter plus 25 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is 75 centimeter. So that is equals to what? 2 into 375 centimeter. Now students, if we multiply this 2 by 375, that is equals to 750 centimeter. So the perimeter of the tabletop would be 7 meter and 50 centimeter. Therefore, we will write the perimeter of the tabletop equals to 7 meter and 50 centimeter.